People, there is a fly. A big fly. No, not big. It's small, but it's a fly.
It can eat you
Yes,
up.
it can. You know, if you see a fly out there, you better smack it, and you better smack it hard. I said hard, you tell me.
And
Hard!
And then if you don't, it will eat you. Or if you get it in a soda, you will maybe die. Like,
If it bites you, you turn it into this big, huge, humongous eyes.
want me to show you?
Oh my gosh. No.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? Oh my gosh, I see the fly over there, and it's coming towards us.
Where's Kayla?
Out in the...
It's bit her.
You guys, we'll be back. You guys are going to stay here while we go do the measurements.
Oh my gosh, it's biting me.
Okay, Abby, you're going to stay here while we go do the measurements. Okay. What is the
It bit me.
flying?
I can do it again. Okay, well.